Hello everybody, Luke Winnick here. We are back with another product highlight, and today we're going to be taking you into the metro area sub-tabs. So as you can see here, we have all accounts, investment allocator, investment firms, private companies, and wealth channel. And for a fundraiser, the most important tab here will be investment allocators. And as you can see here, you can search metro area by name or state. You can also filter by state if you cover a specific region like the Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, Southeast, Sunbelt. So you can kind of do it by state, and that'll be a little bit easier for city scheduling. And now we'll jump into the New York City investment allocator metro area. As you can see here, we have it broken out by the different channels. So RIAs, consultants, family offices, broker-dealers, banks, wealth managers, and so on. So it's easier to find what you're looking for more specifically by the channel or who you're trying to get money from. And then I just wanted to highlight the contacts that aren't in the home office but are located in New York City. So I could call on Aaron Schindler for Mosaic without traveling to Phoenix, Aaron Shep from Yacht Crew Partners without having to travel down to Miami. And then up here is our Dakota recommends. So if you are a first timer in New York City, you can see the hotels we recommend, the restaurants to go, the event spaces if you're looking to throw an event while you're there, coffee shops, and that pretty much wraps up for metro area sub-tab product highlights. Thank you.